Yo, it's Cinderella. So what up? Today I'm going to show you how to take jeans and cut them into jean shorts. It's really easy to do. And this is what they look like when they're all done. And all you need is a good pair of fabric scissors. Do you want to smooth out your jeans, lay them nice and flat, and then decide how short you want them to go. These ones have a rip at the knee, so I think I'm just going to cut where that rip is, and then you can always cut more off if you want, but it's better to cut them long and then see how short you want to go. You're just going to take a good pair of fabric scissors, and I have a link to these in the description of the video, and you're just going to cut straight across like that. And then when you get more than halfway, you can fold this across, and that will show you where to cut the rest of the way so you get a nice straight line, just like that. The way to get the nice frayed look is to just kind of pull at the bottom of the denim like this. You can also go like this with your scissors along the bottom, and that will help them get frayed. Now we're just gonna fold them over, make sure the top of the jeans are perfectly lined up. So this is showing us exactly where to cut. Now we can just go back in with our fabric scissors and cut straight across this line, just like that. And then we have this piece off as well. So when you unfold them, you have a nice symmetrical pair of jean shorts. And again, you can just use your scissors on this side, just run it along the bottom there, and that will start to fray. You'll get these nice white bits. And once you wash them, it'll look even more frayed and cool. So this is what they look like when they're all done. Thanks for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.